Hello and welcome to this edition of TADHack 2018. Our names are Manuel, Pablo and myself, Marcelo, and we're here to present our project, Ecommunity. Did you know that each Spanish person generates an average of 460 kilograms of remunerable waste per year? This translates into approximately 200 euros per person, which go to waste. Did you know that 70% of the waste ends up buried due to the poor management of the current system? This year alone, 6 recycling plants have closed due to the bad classification of the materials they buy from the urban collection system. So we thought, why not take advantage of the resources offered by current technology to implement a transparent model that benefits both our planet and our economy? So this is our solution, Ecommunity. With Ecommunity, the private recycling plants can publicize themselves in the app and get in touch with communities of neighbors. And they collect their remunerable waste monthly, and that way they, in exchange for this and in function of the amount of CO2 that they've avoided the atmosphere, they receive tokens that will be exchangeable by the administration with tax deductions at the end of the year. The recycling plants collect and measure the waste monthly in each community using an intelligent system that can be measured by the administration. And at the end product produced by the recycling plants is also weighed by the administration. And once it's approved, the users from the community get their tokens. This results in a transparent model based on blockchain technology, which means that the administration can keep a track of all the amounts and the waste, and this can result in a better system and less waste per year. The accurate and transparent automatic quantification of the community's recyclers' materials and weight of CO2 avoided allows us to present real figures at the municipal and state levels, allowing for grants and rewards that can be granted by the EU or by the local administration. And all this is managed through the Ethereum network, which lets us have a transparent system that automates the payments, and API days, which we use to notify the users and the recyclers with each action. Okay, so here we have the interface for our application. On the right, this would be the individual user from each neighbor community. This would be the recycling plant and the supervisor for the administration. So these are the 3 profiles which the person could have on the app. So let's focus on the user perspective. We'd have a menu with the recycling times, and each of the pickups would be announced on a menu. On each pickup, the neighbor could scan the document produced by the weighing system, and it would update to the database, so it would appear on the recycling board. And after this process, the validator from the administration could validate the process and reward the first user with the tokens, which they afterwards could exchange for tax deductions and other services. Thank you for your time, and see you next year in the next edition of TADHack. Goodbye.